Sawmill sits lonely on out here.
Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters.
If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there in the lower corner. It'll either be here or here.
Them play
But
with
hit that
their
subscribe button.
sawmills and
Don't forget
such.
to ring my bell so you get future notifications for my content.
Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters.
Flatten the tire. Tore a big gash from the rim. The sawmill sits lonely on out here, waiting for some attention, waiting for somebody to love it, waiting for somebody to run it. Yeah, it's just going to have to wait for a warmer day. Do you like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Get your thumb on up there. Really does help. And share it with a friend. The fire pit says, "Come on, Grizz. Run that sawmill so you got something to feed me with." Ah, wouldn't it be nice to have a fire out here? My sawmill's been sitting out here, kind of lonely. Ain't been running it. But with good cause. Taking a spill like this ain't no good. And with the arthritis, this damp weather does make it hard for me to move safely. I did have one comment from one guy that says, "Make more videos." I wish I could. I do enjoy making them for y'all. But I also have problems in the day, you know, with stuff that I got to do in my regular life that I got to get accomplished. Stuff that ain't entertaining at all. But stuff that I have to do nonetheless. And due to the circumstances that I'm in, I'm a lot slower at doing those things than I used to be. I also had another comment about when I took that slip and slide fall. Get rid of those hippie flip-flops and get some work boots. Well, I got a pair of work boots. I put them on up a long time ago. I don't know, it's just hard to bend on over to tie them and stuff in the mornings. There are times when I wear them, but when I'm getting up in the morning, going out to let the chickens on out, and that's what I was doing there. I don't feel like just putting on my boots just to go let the chickens on out, even though I should have. I'm lazy. Here's one project I need to break on into. It'll be a lot better tractor for working the mill loading logs on it. A little bit bigger, but it needs a new clutch. It's going to be a hell of a project for me. And of course there's my daughter's shed that I got to get finished, that I started forever ago. And the greenhouse. I need to get that done right away. I am running into problems with this lock here. It's just not biting good anymore. That's something when it's a little bit warmer out I'll have to fix, so this side don't settle down when I'm cutting. And it's time I gave this motor a tune up. It's starting to run a little bit rough. Maybe I can do that when it's wet on out here. Possibly. And I do need to put a new blade on the saw. Not because this is a little bit rusty, that doesn't hurt it. But I don't have a tooth set yet for it. The blade's still good. But I've got to get these teeth, get something to set the teeth. So as I sharpen it on down and wear down that tooth set, I can flare it back out again. And if you want to see some more of my cooking videos over the fire, or what I'm doing in my regular life, check out the card up here in the top right hand corner. Don't know if I'm pointing backwards. It might be over here, but I think it's going to be over here. Who knows? Anyway, check out that card. It'll give you a link to my the Life of Grizz 270 channel. And also it'll give you the link to my other channel, Grizz 270 Live, where I do mainly just live streams, and you can come ask me questions and come chat. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.
Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone because they're driving nails home. Because it's something they love. They're always alone. They're driving nails home. Because it's something they love.